name is Raquel, and you are here watching the do and the don'ts.
Oh, hey there. How are you doing? You're here watching the do and the don'ts science safety presentation. Now, I have 3 steps for you, and 3 steps of those you're going to have to listen, watch, and be careful. And you can call me Mr. Bluwanga. Mr. Bluwanga. And I'm going to be there telling the 3 steps. Now, the first step is to be cautious. Watch out for caution notes. If you don't, this is what might happen to you.
Proper disposal of chemicals. Chemicals.
Hey, don't pour those chemicals down the sink.
Why?
Because if you do, the sink will get messed up and people might have to drink that water.
Oh. Yeah. These aren't even very chemicals, I guess. I should have asked the teacher how to dispose of them. You see, because that's why you don't put chemicals down the drain, because you could have a high potential of poisoning someone and possibly death.
Hey, what are you doing here? Get out of my seat.
How dare you?
I'm the teacher.
How dare you?
I dare so. Okay. Markel said that's right. Now, let's get rolling to the second step. Second step. Always make sure you have to have safety equipment, such as goggles, gloves, and all the lab coats. Now, be safe now, and if you don't do that, here's the next step.
Use safety equipment. Safety.
Okay, class. Now I need you to put on the safety goggles for this science safety. We're gonna work on chloride. Now, does anyone know chloride? Enough talking. Begin.
Aren't you going to wear your safety goggles?
Don't worry about it. Such a pessimist. Come on. What's the worst that'll happen?
Well, we're dealing with chemicals, toxic chemicals. So, I don't really want to use this fire extinguisher, and neither does Mr. Luwanga. So,
Come on, man. Don't worry. You're always thinking of the worst case scenario. There you go.
your safety goggles. Your safety. That is why you should wear your safety goggles.
What is happening here? Oh my gosh! Well, how are you? No! It's okay, okay. Now I need to complete your eye wash. You see this side? Just wait here.
Hurry, teacher.
It's okay. It's okay, Markel. That's why you should wear your safety goggles.
Hey, Markel, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I lost a bit of feeling. I lost a bit of feeling in my hand. It's going to take some time to recover, but I lost the sight.
Oh, well, I hope you feel better soon.
Markel. Have you learned your lesson?
Yep.
Have you learned the lesson that you should always wear safety equipment for science? Because I hope you did. Did you?
Yeah.
And Kyle, did you tell him?
Yes, I did.
You did? Okay. How come? What happened? What happened to you?
They just didn't look that dangerous.
I know, that's what most people say. Well, anyways, so just wait for another couple of 5 days and hopefully we'll get better. And yeah, and as we're gonna do the next electrical experiment, be careful and always be sure to wear the safety equipment. It's really, really, really important. Okay?
Okay.
It's been nice working with you guys.
Follow the safety procedures. Follow them.
Yep.
Hello there, you've seen the last 2 steps of the science safety video, the do and the don'ts. And the last steps are to not eat, drink, or chew gum while working with a science experiment. And if you fail at doing this, here's an example of what can go wrong.
Do not eat, drink, or chew gum in the lab.
Class, today we're going to study the effects of carbonation in liquid form. Please be careful and use caution when slowly introducing each ingredient. Do not begin until every station has been given the green light.
Hey, what are you doing? We better get ready because the teacher's coming to inspect our workstation.
Oh, don't worry about it. He's not going to be coming for a while since he's inspecting other students' desks. So, like, yeah.
Denzel, Sheldon, I like your work. Keep it up.
Thank you.
What have you done? You're supposed to wait until everyone gets a green light. This would never happen if you had followed the proper science safety procedure. Teacher. Kyle, do you have anything to explain about this?
I told her we shouldn't have done it.
Kyle, Markel, what did you do?
I was eating chips, and also the Mentos were there, and when he came, I was startled, and then I dumped them in my tray.
Why did you do that?
Well, I don't know, I guess I wasn't, I really should have been following the rules.
You should have. That's why we don't eat or drink or chew gum while we're doing the science experiment. I hope you boys learned your lesson.
We hope you enjoyed our video, and we hope you found it very informative. And science can be fun, only if you do it safely.
There are many more things that you can do to keep the lab safe and a fun place to be, but we don't have that much time
To show you all of them. You can find out more by looking it up on the web, and remember to always follow your teacher's instructions.
The end. Hope you enjoyed it. I was Mr. Bluwanga.
I was Raquel.
And I was myself, Mark Ellery.